Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin at Toronto Pearson Airport. Early Friday evening here. We're over at Avis. Take a look at some of the cars they have available for rent here. And just a quick reminder, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Click that like button if you want to see more of these videos, and we'll start things off here with some of the upgrades available at Avis. And we've got two Mustang convertibles, black, and optional wheels on here. I kind of like that. And I don't think I've seen the silver stripes like that, just kind of light on the front. This one looks like it's brand new, still got the wrap on the steering wheel. You'd be the first one to drive this. We got another one here, same trim. Really like those wheels, are really nice. We got over here, we got a Chrysler 300 with a sunroof in it. Grand Cherokee. 3 Series BMW, and then a smaller BMW here, maybe X1 or the 2 Series. Got a little Mercedes SUV, another BMW SUV. And let me just quickly pan over to the aisles over here. And we got a BMW SUV. If you recall, last time we had quite a few of these. Let me, sorry about the walk there. Let me just start over at the, gotta get a better sense of order when I do the Avis here. Okay, in the upgrade, we got another BMW SUV. It's a smaller one, that's probably a 3 Series. Got a Nissan sedan. GMC, we got an Audi coming through here, a larger SUV. Is that a Q5? Yep. We got a Hyundai, Mitsubishi. Well, looks like we got a bunch of Wagoneers down at the end. We'll take a look at those in a minute. Alright. Yeah, we got another Gladiator there. BMW sedan. And we got that Cadillac again over here. XT4. Alright, we got some more SUVs here. Oh, this is a Grand Cherokee. Sorry, I thought this one was a Wagoneer. I think there's some Wagoneers down at the end, though. Alright, we're just doing a quick update here on Friday over at Avis. Had a little bit extra time. I'm waiting for a convertible to go through the car wash for a reservation I've got over at National. Oh, we got GMC Denali, a newer one. Yeah, and this is probably a Suburban, is it? No. Yukon, right. That looks like the extended Yukon. Yeah, another Yukon. Here's a Suburban. And here's one of the Wagoneers. You had a look at a little bit earlier in another video. Got a couple Dodge Rams. An Explorer, a couple more Rams. Dodge Rams down here. And somebody was asking about, you can probably see in the distance, the Porsches there. Those are for chauffeur service with Air Canada. If you have an international business class full fare ticket, you might end up getting a ride in one of those. Looks like we got a 4Runner over here too, Chrysler 300. Yeah, we got a Ford Edge, another 300 here. And one of my favorites coming up, a Challenger. Actually, one of the favorites is the 300 as well. Did we look at this one before? I think we might have. Oh, maybe not. This has got the wrap on the steering wheel though. Oh, you know, it's got 15,000. I don't know. Okay, so maybe this wrap on the steering wheel might be a cleaning thing with Avis. Okay. I won't get so excited when I see that, thinking they're brand new out of the factory. And we got somebody taking a Chevy Blazer over here. Just looking to see if there's anything else notable. Not as many cars, because Fridays are busy here. Got another 300. That one's got the spoiler on the back. And sorry for rushing through here, guys. Again, I'm just waiting for a car to come back from the car wash, and I thought I'd give you a quick walkthrough over at Avis here. I think that's going to wrap it up. Got one more Mustang here. Ooh, this is nice with the blue with that with those wheels. We'll take a quick look at that. As I walk down here, we can see what trim levels on the interior. Looking at the plates, this is probably pretty brand new. Oh, is that the digital dash maybe? See once it comes up here. Yes, it is 349 kilometers on this. Wow, this is great to see. Okay. So about 200 miles on this. I do like that dark black, or sorry, dark blue is really nice. All right, well, there's a quick update for you from Avis. Just a quick reminder, go ahead, click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give us a quick like if you want to see more of these videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.